Alrighty guys, we're picking up the bouncer, but man, it feels so good to roll this bouncer again. It's been a minute. It feels so good to roll this vinyl. It's been a minute guys, it's been a minute, but we're back doing this again. This is the octopus. But yeah, it feels so good to be rolling this bouncer back again. Rolling this vinyl. What'd you think? You glad you back on doing bouncers? He's all used to doing the decoration, the marquee letters and all that type of stuff, the event decorations. But yeah, bounce house business about to start picking up guys, so I gotta find another guy to help me out. I'm gonna holler at Nathan, see if he's still gonna be working with us. But Nathan's pretty good. I'm gonna see if he comes back. All right, there you go. Let's go ahead and roll it. Oh yeah, we gotta put the straps. I'm gonna put the straps underneath. All right, y'all already know guys, y'all already know the process. So yeah, just feels so good to be rolling these bouncers back again. What we do is we put the straps underneath the bouncer, so it'll be easy for us, so we won't have to pick it up. All right, it's a little bit dirty, but it's all cool. All right, let's roll it. Let's roll. Let's roll it. There we go. I always start with a tie roll. Check out this man, how he gonna do it. I always gonna start the tie roll, guys. I know you miss this job. You miss it. He love running bouncers. Look at him. Then you want to step right here, get some of the air out. There you go. Him and Nathan, they're pretty good at rolling though. Nathan got the hang of it, and he's a young guy, really young guy, but he's really good. Pretty much this guy and Nathan are the only ones that can roll our bouncers really good, guys. I don't have to tell them anything. All right, let me help him out now, because it's gonna start getting a little bit heavy. Not too heavy, but it's gonna start getting a little heavy, so he's gonna need that extra push. All right, let's do it. And there you go, guys. Nice little tie roll. Now it's not that cold tonight, but it's supposed to be cold what, tomorrow? I think so. We're supposed to be getting another winter storm. I don't know if it's gonna touch down right here, but I know it's gonna Kentucky folks, they about to get some snow. We might just get a little leftover, I don't know. But yeah, he's a pro. That's his specialty right there, tying these bouncers. There you go. Yeah, it feels so good to be back doing bouncers, guys. I know this guy is excited. He's been dreaming about it. You've been dreaming about this. He couldn't even wait to come. He's like, "Hey, you want to go pick it up right now?" We had other things to do, guys. That's why we got here a little late. As y'all already know, I do different type of hustles. I had to go pick up a car from a customer. It's actually a client of mine. So she brings me a lot of work for the detailing, and yeah, I had to go pick up a car. She wants me to detail it for her, so had to take care of that. That's why we got here a little late. But also this customers are really cool. We know them. They're returning customers. They said you can come anytime. So it's only like what, 6 o'clock in the afternoon, but you know it gets dark real quick. All right, let's do it. There you go. Beautiful. Looking good. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna move this bouncer out the way so we can fold this tarp. We're gonna use this tarp so the bouncer can sit on top of that tarp. We don't want to scratch the bouncer. All right, but we gotta move this out the way. All right, let's do it. All right, so there you go. We're gonna load the cotton candy machine inside the truck. We gotta clean the truck too, guys, but we use the truck a lot for work. There you go. We got the cotton candy machine. All right, guys, but that's it. Only thing we got left is the tarp, and we're done. We're done right here. All right, there you go. There you go. We're done. All right. Almost there. You got it. Strong man right here, guys. Strong man. They call him the hug. Hold the camera. Hold the camera. I got this. All you gotta do is wiggle this bouncer. It'll go in. Hold the camera. Don't touch the screen. All you gotta do is wiggle it. There you go. It's loaded. All we gotta do now is load up the dolly and we're done. Let's go. Let's get it. There you go. Not bad. Like I said, this is not the right dolly. We left the other dolly at the warehouse, so we use this dolly for other things. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Let's keep grinding. All right, let's get it. We out. All right, this guy right here is stealing. What you doing? You stealing the customer stuff?
Yeah, to me, and I like it.
No, I just talked to the customer. He said he was getting ready to put it on our site. He's throwing these away.
I like it.
And yeah, he gave it to my dad.
My shop is growing now.
The guy is also a carpenter, but I guess he got a different machine. You know, another man's trash is another man's treasure, guys.
The only problem, he just let it stay outside for a little while. They rust, but I'm gonna clean them up a little bit.
Yeah, you can sand it down.
And I got, see, he got a good blade.
Yeah.
Hopefully
See,
it works.
and he didn't want to kind of work. See, that's what happens when you kind of work. You know what I'm saying? You never know. You might get something, a reward.
Yeah, told me. See, I always like to ask people, you know, what they're gonna do with things, you know.
Yeah, it was right next to the trash, and we just asked him. We asked him, "You throwing these away?" He said, "Yeah, you can take it." All right.
See, it's working.
All right, appreciate it, boss. All right, I'm gonna help him out so we can get this loaded, and we're gonna let these people have fun. The kids have fun. Let me go ahead and open this door. Like I said, another man's treasure is another man's treasure, guys. Look at that. Another happy man. Now we got more junk in the house.
No, my chop. One day gonna have a big chop.
There you go. Hopefully he put it to work and make some more marquee letters. All right. All right. Let's go. He said it worked. Well, it works.
Let's go. All I gotta do is clean it here.
Still got a good blade.
Oh man, the blade's great. Good, man. I got two babies. Let's go. And two of these babies too.
What about the other one? Back.
I got plenty of tools now. No excuses now. Let's go.
Plenty of tools and he don't even put them to work.
Oh, no. What is this? What is this? What's going down?
All right, stay tuned for more projects.
Little project. It was something came from one arc we made. So they told me to do this. They decided to do something.
All right, more tools. Tools make the stuff work. Without tools, you can't make anything work, guys. Well, this one works. All you gotta do is sand it down really good to rust it. The guy, the customer, he's a pretty cool customer. He's a returning customer, and we asked him, "Are you throwing it away?" Because I mean, it was right next to the garbage can. He said, "Yeah, go ahead and take it." So yeah, it is pretty heavy though, pretty heavy, but yeah, it works. So another machine, guys, another machine. I think his first one was this one. This was the first one, I think, right? This was the first one, the rigid, and that was the first one. Now he got, then I think this was the second one. Now he got the third one, third bad boy, and now we got a fourth one right here. This is looks kind of old school, but hey, still looks strong. All right, so let's put these bad boys to work and stay tuned for more projects. All right, roll.
We do it now. We do it now.